TP-Link gaming router. Oh, look at that bad boy. Hey, the question is this designed for purpose gaming router, the AC5400, gonna give me the upgrade to my kind of mediocre router performance that I've wanted for the last year or so? Blade Runner meets Alien. Look at this lot. 2 USB 3 ports there, that's cool. Damn, that's stunning. Let's get it plugged in. This is my current router provided by my broadband supplier. That's still going to be part of the equation. I'm going to turn that back on again, then connect that to this using an Ethernet cable. I think everything's working. I'm a big fan of this router. Certainly there's no going back as far as I'm concerned. The coverage upgrade has been insane. In my bedroom at the edge of the house where I watch most of my Netflix, I used to have to suffer with dropout and buffering, and that's not the case anymore. I like the 5 gigahertz connectivity for some of my devices. It's really robust, really reliable. And the fact that I can dynamically assign bandwidth to, say, my gaming PC or my son's Twitch streaming setup upstairs is really, really cool. The software interface is very reliable, very easy to use.
Okay, chat, let's do this. I'm just going to build up.
I love it. I'm a big fan.